Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you this amazing DIY stitch braid. If you're new to my channel, here we do a lot of DIYs and different types of styles that you might want to consider if you're finding it difficult to choose a hairstyle next to make. Here we share amazing hairstyles that you can actually learn from, you can actually look into and try out. So if you're a fan of stitch braid, you know that this technique is very important in getting the lines, otherwise we can't call it stitch braid. So this is how to make a stitch braid by yourself. Make sure that you're using your fingers to actually do the pattern very well, and then you're adding extension depending on what your clients want or depending on what you want actually. So this is just basically how to do a stitch braid for yourself and for your clients. So lovelies, if you're loving this video already, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up so that this video can get to others that are finding it very hard to make stitch braid from the comfort of their home. These steps look pretty easy. I feel like if you follow the steps, you'll be able to do this by yourself. And make sure to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you other stitch braid hairstyles that you can actually pick from. This is just one of them, so I have other hairstyles that you can actually pick from. So make sure to watch this video to the end. This is another one, very beautiful hairstyles. If you find it difficult to choose what kind of stitch braid that you want, like there are so many stitch braid hairstyles that you will be seeing in this video. So make sure to watch this video to the very end, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you find value of it. And yes lovelies, I'm just going to allow you to watch this video to the end of it.